3 minutes cooking video. I'm Justin Chen. Enjoy your meal.